Today I'm going to show you how to apply material to a 3D object in Fusion 360 so your design has accurate physical properties like weight density and appearance. This is a really important step when you are preparing models for simulation manufacturing or even just understanding how heavy a part will be in the real world. The good news is, Fusion 360 makes this incredibly simple once you know where the material library is and how to apply it to a body or component. In this step-by-step tutorial, I will walk you through the entire process from opening your design to assigning materials like steel, aluminum, or plastic in just a few clicks. First, open your design in Autodesk Fusion 360. If your project is not already open, simply load the file you want to work with from your data panel. Once the design is visible, look to the left side of the screen for the browser panel. This panel lists all the components, bodies, sketches, and other elements inside your design. Find the body or component that you want to assign a material to. After you locate it, right-click directly on that body or component. A context menu will appear. In this menu, look for the option called Physical Material and click on it. This will open the Fusion 360 material library where you can choose different materials for your model. When the material library appears, you will see a wide range of categories including metals, plastics, wood, and many others. Each category contains realistic materials that include physical data like density, which Fusion 360 uses to calculate mass and weight of your design. To apply a material, simply browse the library and find the material you want to use. For example, you might choose steel, aluminum, or a plastic depending on what your real part will be made from. Once you find the material you want, click and drag it directly onto the body or component in your design. As soon as you release the mouse, Fusion 360 instantly assigns that material to the selected object, updating its physical properties. After applying the material, you can close the material library and return to your workspace. Your object now has the correct physical properties based on the material you selected. This means Fusion 360 can accurately calculate the weight of the part, which is extremely helpful for engineering, projects, assemblies, and manufacturing planning. If you ever need to change the material, simply right-click the body again, open physical material, and drag a new one onto the object. And that is how you apply material to a 3D object in Fusion 360. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Fusion 360 tips, tutorials, and quick design workflows. Thanks for watching. See you next time.